The internet's dumbest person just did another dumb thing, and no one is surprised. Yet, honestly, if I was in this kid's circle, I'd be suing him to high heaven. This kid, Jack Doherty thought it was a good idea to be texting and driving in the rain while driving a Lamborghini. You can't make this shit up. I will repeat it. The internet's most stupid person, Jack Doherty, did another stupid thing. He thought it was a good idea to be driving a Lamborghini with passengers in his car, texting and driving at high speeds on the highway while it was raining. With all of these, with this equation, what do you think is the sum? What do you think is the evaluation? What do we have? What do we have? Oh, we have a stupid person not learning a damn thing. Not learning a damn thing. Jack Doherty didn't learn a damn thing. You don't want to know why? See through that caption, cut it off. Wish young and talk to set it out. I feel niggas out there, let me down. World on I take me everybody. They can't keep a tab on my whereabouts. Acting like it's probably gonna come out. Turn me up, you're so scared. Oh! Oh! No! 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 Oh, fuck. No, watch out, watch out. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck, open the door, open your door. Holy shit. Holy fucking shit. Oh, Michael. Are you okay? Yeah. Holy fuck. Oh my god, bro. My whole fucking car, bro. As you can see, Jack Doherty is more concerned about his car, yet he has his friend or his cameraman bleeding after his car crash. What? Bro, my whole fucking car, bro. No fucking way. Oh my gosh. There's no fucking... Michael, here. Michael, do you have your film on that phone too? No. Oh my god.
Else you need me to get out of the car? Do you want to take that shit so he doesn't have to?
Wait, let him have that. Let him have that. Let him have that. And then McKinley, can you just?
I think your nose.
Just do this. McKinley, can you go on here?
Yeah. As soon as I heard, I was.
Oh my God, can you film on here on the phone? And
yeah.
McKinley, just make it look good. Look through here the whole time. Go over Michael. You got a driver's license with you?
Yeah, I got you.
You guys, all four of you were in the car?
No.
It was just them two. I'm alright.
I don't know the safety standards of a Lamborghini, and hopefully it's amazing. I mean, these guys didn't die, hallelujah. But I mean, this is just, and especially when you don't learn from your antics, you don't learn. And then, in the worst, sociopathy at its finest. He asked his friend once if he's okay. Just one time. The dude is bleeding. He's like,
Holy shit. Holy fucking shit. Oh, Michael. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Holy fuck. Oh my god, bro. My whole fucking car, bro.
and then he switches and goes, oh my god, my car.
No fucking way. Oh my gosh. There's no fucking... Michael, here. Michael, do You film on that phone too.
Oh man, my car, man, my car. Oh my God, my car. Brand new car. Tells the cameraman, hey, or camera woman, cameraman, hey, yo, you got the video? Okay, cool. Make sure, make it good.
I
Can you film on here on the phone? And you can just make it look good. Look through here the whole time. Go over Michael.
Hey, stupid is stupid is.
Help! 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 Break the fucking window! Oh! Oh! Help! Oh fuck, can you hold this? Oh fuck. Oh. No, my fucking car, bro.
Vamos, baby. Vamos,
Oh.
que estás bien.
Fuck, dude. My fucking car. Holy shit, no. Are you fucking kidding me, bro? No. Michael, are you good? Oh shit. Oh fuck.